Good morning. We are here in Destin, Florida today at the beautiful 3883 Sand Dune Court in the Dunes of Destin community. You are nestled in this cozy little cul-de-sac out here. And this community and this house, they just have it all. So I can't wait to get inside and show you guys. This is going to be a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom home that is just under 2,800 square feet. You're at 2,795, I do believe. And as far as the community goes, you do have deeded beach access. You have a pool, a community pool. But in all honesty, when you get a look at the pool here at this home, you're not even going to think twice about a community pool. So here we are coming in through the front door, and you can see we walk right into the open floor plan of the living space to the kitchen. So there are the stairs that will go up to the second and third floor, but you also do get an elevator in this home. So the elevator is serviced once a year, so it's in great working condition. But I do love that ease for anyone that may need a little bit of assistance going up to the second and third level. As you can see, we do have tiled floors here in this main living space. I love tiled floors or any hardwood floors or vinyl floors, especially when we're at the beach. Makes for easy cleanup. You're not having to worry about all the sand in your carpet. And then this here is going to be a door that will lead out to your side yard pre-gate. So it'll just come in from the side yard before you get to the backyard here. And just another viewpoint before we get into the rest of it. Lovely windows that really just capture the natural light. And then of course you do have your fireplace there. And here we are, extra large breakfast bar when we get into the kitchen, so that can easily seat, I would say, 4 to 6 perfectly. Tons of electrical outlets, so if you are an appliance person, this is going to be well suited for you. You do have a smooth electric stovetop for your oven and stove combo, the built-in microwave, and of course the stainless steel double-door fridge freezer. Undermount sink as well, and a good amount of cabinet storage too. And then so here's the elevator door that we just talked about. That's going to be the one in the right of the frame here. But through this door, you actually do get a wonderful storage room. So this actually comes in and then we'll go underneath the stairs here. So you get tons of space, whether that's for, holiday decorations, or if you want to put shelving in there and make it additional pantry space. I mean, truly, you kind of can do tons of stuff with that little utility closet. And then just across the way, you do have a additional pantry. So this one's a little bit smaller than that utility closet, but still you do have pantry space right off the kitchen here. All right. So we're coming down this little alcove here before we get to the rest of the rooms. This is where the garage and the half bath is going to be. So as you can see, we've got the golf cart in here, which is going to convey, and then you also have enough space for a singular car, or if you have 2 cars and one doesn't leave often, you can definitely stack 2 in there, I believe, depending on what type of car it is. And then here we are in our half bathroom. So again, just a commode and then a single vanity. And it is enclosed via pocket door, as you can see. All right. And continuing on, so down this hallway, as you can see, we'll go outside to the backyard. And then if we come here, this is going to be the laundry room. Very nice size utility and laundry room here. You do get the little counterbank, which I love. So you can fold your clothes in here. And then tons of wire shelving, even up above. Let me show you guys. So coming in here, look at that. So tons of hooks and shelving. So you can really use this for additional storage, whether it's for clothes or other household needs. All right, so getting into our first bedroom here. Even though this is a bunk room currently, this could absolutely be a first floor primary suite. So you do get 2 gorgeous windows that will give you a view out to the backyard, which I cannot wait to show you guys because it is absolutely stunning back there and the weather is perfect today. But anyways, this could absolutely be a first floor primary. You do get this gorgeous walk-in closet here. It is door enclosed, so you can close this off to the rest of the room. I mean, the high ceilings just is everything in this home. It is so beautiful. But yes, so you do get tons of closet space in here. Again, you can close it off with the door. And then you have a ensuite bathroom. It is shower only, but you do get a double vanity setup here. Some gorgeous lighting, that extra large mirror. A generously sized walk-in shower. We love that. And then the water closet is just behind the bathroom door here. So there's your water closet and commode. Again, it can be shut for privacy. And then you also get a linen closet in here. So yes, I think it's fully suited and ready to go for a first floor primary, if that is something that interests you, rather than having the primary be on the 2nd or 3rd floor. So the bedrooms are going to be carpeted, but the bathroom and then this main living area is tiled. Alrighty, let's walk through, and I want to take you guys up to the 2nd floor. So the current sellers now, they actually had their primary on the 2nd floor here, and that's going to be the bedroom. I'm going to show you guys first. As we come up the stairs, they are beautiful hardwood stairs, light colored wood. It really accents the home nicely. And then right at the top of the landing, you can see you do have this wet bar. So cabinet storage here, built-in microwave, a small undermount sink, and then you do get a Frigidaire and a Frigidaire wine fridge. So this is such a neat addition. And it's nice if you want to turn one of these rooms into a full guest quarter, or you want to do like a game room and have that wet bar set up for kids or family or guests. I mean, it's just, the possibilities are endless. So currently we are in the bedroom that was previously being used as the main primary. So as you can see, nice large bedroom here, carpeted floors as I mentioned. And then also 2 walk-in closet. Gorgeous. Tons of shelving for storage up above. So wonderful. And then, of course, the ensuite bathroom. So this one is going to have a tub, as you can see. It is a jetted tub. You get the little extra storage ledge for, you know, Epsom salts, shampoos, conditioners, whatever you like to have accompany your bath. Got some side storage here. And then again, we come in with the double vanities. And then just around the corner, we are going to have our walk-in shower. There we are, walk-in shower. And your water closet. So that can be closed off for privacy, of course. So nice spacious room here. And it is good to note that, of course, we have 4 bedrooms in here. So every single bedroom does have its own in-suite bathroom, full bathroom. All right, so this is bedroom number 3 out of the 4, and you do get a private access to the front balcony here. It's such a gorgeous day, you guys. I wish you could be here with me in person. The temperatures are cooling off here in Florida, and it's just such a wonderful time of year. But anyways, you do get a tray ceiling accent in this room, which I absolutely love. And keeping theme, we'll show you guys the closets first. Boom, walk-in closet again. So this one is actually larger than the 2 that we've seen previously. Let's see if I can get you in the corner. So this one is quite large. Plenty of room for storage here. You could even add additional shelving. But yes, this room I think has the largest closet space out of all 4, if I'm not mistaken. All right, and then there is your ensuite. So that's going to be a single vanity there. And then you are going to have a tub shower duo in this bathroom. So there's your shower nozzle, tub shower duo. All bathrooms are tiled. There's going to be your elevator, entry and exit from the second floor. And now it is time to make our way up to the third level. And then we get to the cream of the crop, which is going to be the backyard. Or they've spent so much time perfecting the backyard, and I think it's honestly just stunning. I mean, I would never leave, to be honest. All right, so here we are, our fourth and final bedroom. This one does have its own private access to the third floor balcony. So many windows in here, really captures in the natural light. So this closet's going to be a little different and a little smaller, but still large on the scale. Double doors. And you can see we kind of go back into the alcoves here, but still a generously sized closet. And of course, straight ahead in the frame, you do have the elevator. That's where it will let you out on the third floor. And our final ensuite bathroom. So shower only, sliding glass door, and then you do get a single vanity. So I think that is such a nice feature to have. Every single bedroom has an ensuite bathroom. That is a huge feature, definitely worth noting. Let's get you guys outside. So as you can see, you do have lake views from the third floor and, well, I mean, I guess from every level you can have a lake view here. But I did want to show you from the third floor, right in between those homes, you do get peekaboo Gulf views. And I'm gonna pan around, give a moment of silence so you guys can just see how stunning it is today. So beautiful out here. So this balcony space is definitely large enough to accompany, a coffee table, a sectional couch, or you could do, a high top seating area. Really anything your heart desires, the balcony is large enough to accompany. All right. I do want to take you guys back down to the second level just so you can see the view from the balcony. And then I promise I'll get you guys outside. All right, here we go. Ta-da! So of course this balcony is going to be a little bit more narrow, but still you could absolutely put a small couch out here, a few lounge chairs, and then just right through there you can see that beautiful lake of the Sand Dunes, the Dunes of Destin community. And that lake actually is applicable for fishing. You guys can fish. It's a catch and release lake, but any Dunes of Destin resident can fish, catch and release in that lake. Okay, last thing that we're going to discuss today, which of course I am absolutely saving the best for last, is this gorgeous backyard setup. Oh my word. So as you can see, we do have a pergola over here. Originally this was used as a grilling area, but you could totally make this a daybed lounger or a sofa setup, or you could keep it as an entertainment space. And then you of course have the covered patio. So TV applicable. Set up some chairs here. And then look at this stunning pool. This is a saltwater pool. It is a custom pool. You do have the hot tub over there, and then the tanning ledge right here with the fountain. So previously there were umbrellas and sun chairs all around the pool here. You could absolutely still do that. There's plenty of space for it. And then over here on the side yard, I just wanted to show you this extremely unique feature that we have. But this is a golf simulator. So there's the setup right there. You do have the TV underneath this little awning. And then, of course, there is your green and the golf balls. So this previously was a Garmin setup. I still think it's the same. But what a unique feature. So if you've got any golf buffs in your family, that is going to be such a fun pastime, especially now that the weather is cooling off. I think that is just so neat. Definitely worth noting. All right, everyone. Again, this is 3883 Sand Dune Court in the Dunes of Destin community. 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and just under 2,800 square feet. You're at $2,795. Deeded private beach access, a catch and release lake on property, and it is extremely golf cart friendly as well. So this is one you absolutely do not want to miss out on, and we would love for you guys to come take a look.